Now that I've shampooed my model's hair with MOISTREPAIR Shampoo and Conditioner, I'm going to be using the TAMEFRIZZ Smoothing Lotion to blow dry the hair. I've taken a little bit of the moisture out of the hair, and we're going to put a couple of pumps of this in the hair, and I'm going to work this in the palms of my hands, and I'm going to start to apply this from roots to ends all the way through the hair. This is going to give frizz control, shine, smoothness, and some heat protection from the blow dry. To create my Fashionista curl, I'm going to go in with the THERMASHAPE Hot Flex Spray. This spray is heat activated, which will add heat protection and shine to the hair. I'm going to spray this in from roots to ends. Now I'm going to use a chopstick to create my curl. So how this works is the chopstick is going to go about a quarter of the way towards the back of the head. I'm going to twist as I wrap it around the chopstick. You don't have to pull it really tight, just enough to have control. I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm going to replace the chopstick with the bobby pin. Now we'll finish our set and we'll let that cool. And I'm just pulling the bobby pins out, and you'll see right away that this great texture is just going to appear. So now all we really want to do is just let this pull out with our fingers. The last product we're going to use today, HAIRSTAY Anti-Humidity Seal. This is going to give a nice shine. It's going to protect the hair from the humidity. It's going to tame down the flyaways. Another great way to use this product is to spray a little bit on your hands. And this is going to give my fingers a little bit of slip now. So as I run through the hair and pull out the curls, I'm not going to be pulling her hair as much, and I can just sort of rake through the hair with my fingers. We've used the HAIRSTAY Anti-Humidity Spray, and what I'm doing is I'm just spraying it at the roots, and then I'm taking my Varus boar bristle brush and I'm just smoothing the hair on the top. I'm certainly not brushing through, and we're just getting that nice and clean. Yeah, you can see this has just turned out terrific. The curl pattern is beautiful. It's definitely a Fashionista curl. And I just want to recap what we've used today. We've used our smoothing lotion to blow dry the hair. We used our ThermaShape Hot Flex Spray to set the hair. And we used our anti-humidity seal to finish the hair. So this was the look we created. These products are going to be available over the holiday season at a salon near you. And give this a try, have some fun with it. Get some nice hair going for the party season. I want to thank the KMS community for joining us today. Have a great time. Enjoy. Thank you, everybody.